This 2022 Forest River Wildcat 276 FKX is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Marriott-Slaterville, Utah, 84404 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Ogden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 61 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.